Hey, to change keyboard size on the Redmi Note 13 Pro, first of all you have to go to the settings. Now you will have to scroll down and open additional settings. Then you will have to go for the language and input. Now you should go to manage keyboards and open Gboard. Then you will have to scroll down, or maybe not, we have to actually go for the preferences, and from this we should actually find the keyboard height. There we go. So take a look how the keyboard looks right now. In my case, it's like really small. So to make it bigger, let me just go back into this option. Okay, and now when we pick this one, it will be definitely bigger. Take a look. There we go. So that's how we can do this. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.